Did you know that there are more than 2.4 million podcasts worldwide? And that number grows by thousands every day? You can also join this trend, but here's the secret. You don't need a microphone, a camera, or even your own voice to be part of this revolution. And you can even turn any blog, article, or URL into a professional and eye-catching podcast video without having to write a script, record, or hire anyone. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a simple link into a podcast video ready to go viral in just a few minutes, using only an artificial intelligence tool. Ready to turn your ideas into instant content? Then let's get started. All right. To create a podcast video today, I'm going to use Joggai Artificial Intelligence, okay? When you're on the Joggai Artificial Intelligence homepage, click on Start for free and create an account. After you log in, your interface will look like this. Here at the top of the page, you'll find some tools to create or train artificial intelligence avatars. Next, you'll find tools to create avatar-based videos. At the bottom, you'll find several ready-made templates. Since we're going to create a podcast, we need to select this video podcast tool here, and this is the interface of the video podcast generator. First of all, we need to enter the topic or idea for the podcast. Here you'll find three options: website, PDF, and long text. With the website option, you can turn any link into a podcast. With the PDF version, you can upload a PDF document with any information and convert it into a podcast. And if you have an idea, you can enter the details here in the text box and create your podcast video. For example, I like this article and I want to make a podcast about this topic. What do I need to do? Just copy the link and paste it into the URL box on the Joggai Artificial Intelligence website. After that, set the language for the video. You can create videos in more than 50 languages and accents. I'm going to choose English. After selecting the language, click the Next button. On the next page, we need to set the podcast avatars. Here you will find some demo podcasters. You can select any of them. However, if you want to create a new one or use your own avatar, then click on Create New here. A pop-up window will appear. Now we need to upload the images for our avatars. First, upload an image for Avatar 1. For Avatar 1, I am uploading this image. After that, upload the image for the second avatar. For the second one, I will upload this image. Once the images have been uploaded, set the gender for each avatar. When you're done, we need to choose the voice actor for each avatar. Here you will find a vast library of voice actors. We need to set filters to find the best one. So, set the gender, language, accents, age, and use cases according to your avatar and your needs. After finding the filtered avatars, listen to them and choose the best one. I'm going to select this one here. Now, in the same way, find the best voices for the second avatar and then choose the one that suits it best. Next, set the names for your avatars. After that, we need to choose a theme here. For example, I'm going to select library here. After choosing, click on Generate Preview here. Now the artificial intelligence will analyze the avatars and the theme and generate some visual previews. And here it is. The previews are ready. Now look at them and choose the one that's perfect. If you don't like the preview, you can generate more previews. Alright, when you find the best one, select the preview and click the Generate Avatar button. You can also select multiple avatar previews. It will take some time to train our podcast avatars, so I'll fast forward this part. Done, our avatars are ready. Now choose one of them to continue. Next, you can customize the voice actor here. However, since we already chose the voice actors during the avatar training, I'll skip this step now. Alright, now click the Submit button. Right? It'll take some time to generate the video, so I'll fast forward the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's take a look.
Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to dive into the recent wave of layoffs in the tech sector, focusing specifically on Creative Technology's decision to downsize its team.
Yeah, it's a complicated topic. Creative Technology, a well-known name, seems to be feeling the pressure. What do you think is driving these layoffs?
Actually, it's a mix of factors. The tech industry is facing economic challenges and companies are restructuring to stay competitive. Have you noticed similar trends elsewhere?
Definitely. Many tech giants are tightening their belts. That's partly because of the rapid growth during the pandemic, which is now hard to sustain. And what is the impact on the employees?
It's significant. Layoffs create uncertainty and anxiety. Employees have to adapt quickly, and that's not easy. Can you imagine the pressure they're under?
Absolutely.
That's incredible. Joggai Artificial Intelligence creates amazing podcast content with studio quality avatars and the same background, ensuring a professional look for your podcast video. The lip syncing is simply perfect, and the audio quality sounds completely natural. It feels like a podcast recorded in a high-end studio with expensive equipment and real human hosts. I really love the content. Okay, now let's see how you can turn any PDF file into a podcast. For example, I have an article about the use of artificial intelligence in business, and I'm uploading the PDF to convert it into a podcast video. After uploading the file, select the language and then click the Next button. On the next page, choose the avatars and set the narration. When you're done, click the Submit button and wait a moment. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's take a look.
Welcome to today's episode, where we're going to dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on modern business. Artificial intelligence has truly become a game changer in recent years.
Absolutely. It has transformed the way companies operate, from automating routine tasks to uncovering deep insights through data. It's like having a super intelligent assistant that never sleeps.
Right? And when we talk about artificial intelligence, we're usually referring to technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and even robotics. These technologies allow machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence.
It's interesting how artificial intelligence is categorized as narrow artificial intelligence.
Amazing. I loved it. Now, if you want to generate a longer podcast from a text idea, you can use the long text feature. The process is the same. So now you can create incredible hyper-realistic podcast videos using Joggai Artificial Intelligence. And not just podcast videos, you can create any type of video with an avatar using Joggai Artificial Intelligence. Now, let me talk about the pricing for Joggai Artificial Intelligence. You can try it for free. However, if you're serious about content creation, you should try the creator plan to make unlimited videos, and you only need to pay $39 per month. If you're a content creator or want to start your journey in content creation, be sure to try out this tool. The link will be in the description. Alright everyone, I'm going to wrap up our video now. But before I do, I'd like to hear about your experience creating a podcast using artificial intelligence. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Happy creating.